Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide names on Snapchat notifications. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Snapchat, click on the following options. You can download a desktop app and you can get it from the Microsoft Store, or you can scan to download. Now for iOS users, just click on the download option and go to App Store, and for Android users, go to the Google Play Store. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, hiding names on Snapchat notifications can be a strategic choice for privacy and discretion, because keeping names hidden on notification helps maintain privacy, especially if the user is in a public or shared setting where the others might see their device screen. Now, some users prefer to keep their Snapchat interactions private, even from those around them, and by hiding names, they can discreetly receive notifications without revealing who is messaging them. Now, I need you to log into your mobile device and open the Snapchat app, because it's going to be a lot easier to hide the names there, alright? Now, once you are here on your Snapchat mobile device, I need you to click on the profile icon at the upper left corner. And I need you to click on the cog icon settings on the upper right corner. Now from here, I need you to hover to where it says notifications. And if you don't want or hide names on Snapchat notifications, I need you to switch off all the information here. All right. In that sense, you're going to be able to hide names on Snapchat notifications. That's one of the best and the smartest clever workaround that you can do, so you can hide names on Snapchat notifications. All right. After doing so, the next step that you might want to do is exit that. We need to go to our phone's setting. Now, once you are in the phone settings, I need you to click on the app management and click on the app list. And from there, if you have so many apps that's been installed, just click on the search bar and type in Snapchat and hit enter. And from here, go to the notifications and turn it off. All right, that's the easiest way for you to hide names on Snapchat notifications. All right, now the thing is, if you are still having problems hiding names on Snapchat notifications, just go here at the Snapchat support. And from here, you may be able to get some troubleshooting steps when you click on the Contact Us option. You can submit a request, and from there, tell them you wanted help on hiding names on Snapchat notifications. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.